If you're wondering how to enter invoices in Xero and make your accounting process simpler, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to enter invoices in Xero, one of the most user-friendly accounting platforms out there. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share how you can use Xero completely free through an exclusive link below with some bonus perks. Now, if you're new to Xero, entering invoices is a pretty straightforward process, but it can seem confusing if you're not familiar with the layout. First, once you're logged into Xero, navigate to the dashboard. You'll see a business menu at the top. From there, click on Invoices. Once you're in the invoice section, you'll see an option for New Invoice. Click that, and a blank invoice template will pop up, ready for you to fill in. Start by selecting your customer from the drop-down list. If this is a new customer, you can click the Add New button to input their details. Next, you'll add the details of the invoice itself. Fill in the invoice date, due date, and invoice number. Xero does this automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. Now, the key part, adding items. You can either select items from your preset list or create new ones on the fly. If you're doing a service or a custom item, just type it in manually. For each line item, you'll specify the quantity, rate, and taxes if applicable. Xero automatically calculates the total for you, making it easy to see exactly what you owe or are owed. If you're using Xero's inventory management, you can also track stock as you go. Don't forget about payment terms and methods. In Xero, you can quickly add your bank account details, PayPal, or any other payment methods that suit your business. This helps your clients pay you faster, right from the invoice. Once everything looks good, you can choose to save it as a draft or approve it. If you save it as a draft, you can come back and make changes later. When you're ready to send it out, just click Approve and then Email to send the invoice directly to your customer. You can also download it as a PDF if you prefer to print it out or send it manually. Now, here's a pro tip. Xero gives you the ability to automatically set up recurring invoices if you have regular clients, so you don't have to manually enter invoices each time. Simply set the frequency and let Xero handle the rest. Also, if you need to make adjustments, Xero allows you to void or credit invoices easily without hassle. Just head back to your invoice list, select the invoice you need to adjust, and Xero will guide you through the process. As you can see, entering invoices in Xero is quick, simple, and designed to save you time. Whether you're new to accounting or just switching to Xero, this software has all the features you need to streamline your invoicing process. And before you go, remember, you can access Xero with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link in the description below. No commitments, just jump in and start using Xero to manage your invoices without paying a cent. Don't miss out on the extra bonuses too, just for trying it out. So that's it, quick, easy, and straightforward. If you're ready to level up your invoicing game with Xero, click the link now.